Kidney stones are becoming increasingly common, especially after the age of 50. As the body ages, metabolism gradually slows down, hydration levels may decrease, and kidney function may become less efficient than it was in earlier years. These natural changes can make it easier for certain minerals and waste substances to accumulate in the kidneys. Kidney stones develop when minerals such as calcium, oxalate, and uric acid become highly concentrated in the urine and begin to crystallize. Over time, these tiny crystals can stick together and form hard deposits inside the kidneys. While some stones may remain small and pass naturally, larger stones can cause significant pain and discomfort when they move through the urinary tract. Many people are surprised to learn that diet plays a major role in kidney stone risk. Certain foods may increase the concentration of stone-forming minerals, while others may help dilute these substances and reduce the likelihood of crystals forming in the first place. Hydration, mineral balance, and the types of nutrients we consume each day can all influence kidney health. Fortunately, nature provides many foods that may help support healthy kidney function. Fruits in particular contain a wide range of natural compounds that may help protect the kidneys. Many fruits are rich in water, antioxidants, potassium, and natural acids that may help regulate mineral balance and support the body's normal cleansing processes. Some fruits may help increase urine production, which assists the kidneys in flushing out excess minerals before they have the chance to crystallize. Others contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation and protect kidney tissues from oxidative stress. Certain fruits also contain natural citrate compounds that may help reduce the formation of calcium crystals. In this video, we will explore 8 fruits that may help support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation naturally. Adding these fruits to your daily diet may help improve hydration, support mineral balance, and protect your kidneys over the long term. How fruits may help reduce kidney stone risk. Understanding how fruits support kidney health helps explain why they are often recommended as part of a kidney-friendly diet. Fruits contain several important nutrients and natural compounds that may help reduce the conditions that lead to kidney stone formation. One of the most important substances found in certain fruits is citric acid. Citric acid plays a key role because it can bind to calcium in the urine. When calcium binds with citrate instead of oxalate, the likelihood of forming calcium oxalate crystals, one of the most common types of kidney stones, may be reduced. Citrate essentially acts as a natural inhibitor of crystal formation. Many fruits also help increase urine volume because of their high water content. Proper hydration is one of the most effective ways to reduce kidney stone risk. When urine becomes too concentrated, minerals are more likely to stick together and form crystals. By increasing fluid intake through hydrating fruits, the urine becomes more diluted, which makes it harder for minerals to crystallize. Another important benefit of fruits is their antioxidant content. Antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation within the body, including in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation and cellular damage can interfere with normal kidney function and may contribute to the buildup of waste products and minerals. Fruits are also naturally rich in potassium and other electrolytes that help regulate fluid balance in the body. Maintaining a healthy balance of electrolytes supports proper kidney filtration and helps control the levels of minerals that are excreted through urine. Additionally, fruits contain natural fiber that supports digestive health. Healthy digestion plays an indirect role in kidney stone prevention because it helps regulate the absorption and elimination of certain minerals that can contribute to stone formation. When combined with proper hydration and a balanced diet, fruits can become a valuable part of a natural strategy to support kidney health and reduce the likelihood of kidney stone development. 1. Lemon. Lemons are widely recognized as one of the most helpful natural foods that may reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. One of the key reasons lemons are beneficial for kidney health is their high content of citric acid. Citric acid plays an important role in reducing the formation of certain types of kidney stones, particularly calcium oxalate stones, which are the most common type. In the body, citric acid increases the level of citrate in urine. Citrate acts as a natural protective compound that binds with calcium before it can combine with oxalate to form crystals. When calcium binds with citrate instead of oxalate, the likelihood of crystal formation decreases significantly. This mechanism may help slow down or prevent the growth of kidney stones. Another important benefit of citric acid is that it may help stop very small crystals from growing larger. By preventing these tiny crystals from increasing in size, citrate may help reduce the chances of them developing into painful kidney stones. Lemons also support hydration, which is one of the most important factors in kidney stone prevention. Adequate hydration helps dilute urine and allows the kidneys to flush out minerals more efficiently before they have the opportunity to crystallize. A simple way to include lemons in your daily routine is by adding fresh lemon juice to water. Drinking lemon water throughout the day may help increase citrate levels in urine while also supporting healthy hydration. 2. Watermelon. Watermelon may be very beneficial for kidney health, primarily because of its extremely high water content. In fact, watermelon contains more than 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits available. Proper hydration is one of the most effective ways to reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. When the body does not receive enough fluids, urine becomes more concentrated. Concentrated urine allows minerals such as calcium, oxalate, and uric acid to accumulate and form crystals more easily. By increasing fluid intake, these minerals become more diluted, making it less likely for them to stick together and form stones. Because watermelon is naturally rich in water, it helps increase urine volume and supports the kidneys in flushing out waste products and excess minerals. This natural flushing process reduces the concentration of stone-forming substances in the urinary tract. Watermelon also contains potassium, an important mineral that helps regulate electrolyte balance in the body. Proper potassium levels help maintain healthy fluid balance and support normal kidney filtration processes. In addition to hydration and mineral balance, watermelon contains antioxidants such as lycopene and vitamin C. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, which may further support overall kidney health. 3. Oranges. Oranges are another citrus fruit that may help support kidney health and reduce the risk of certain types of kidney stones. One of the key reasons oranges are beneficial is their natural citrate content. Citrate plays an important protective role in the urinary system by helping reduce the formation of calcium-based kidney stones, particularly calcium oxalate stones. In the body, citrate binds to calcium in the urine before calcium can combine with oxalate or other minerals to form crystals. When calcium attaches to citrate instead of oxalate, the formation of stone-producing crystals becomes much less likely. Oranges also contain vitamin C along with a wide range of antioxidants that support overall cellular health. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage tissues in many organs, including the kidneys. In addition to citrate and antioxidants, oranges contain a high amount of water, which contributes to hydration. Maintaining adequate hydration helps dilute minerals in the urine and reduces the chances of crystal formation. Regular consumption of citrus fruits like oranges may therefore help maintain healthier urinary chemistry when included as part of a balanced diet. 4. Pineapple. Pineapple may support kidney health because of its unique combination of hydration, antioxidants, and natural enzymes. One of the most notable compounds found in pineapple is an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in various tissues of the body. Inflammation in the urinary tract or kidneys can worsen discomfort associated with kidney stones and may contribute to irritation in the surrounding tissues. By helping reduce inflammatory responses, bromelain may provide supportive benefits. Pineapple also contains a high amount of water, which contributes to proper hydration. Adequate fluid intake helps increase urine volume, allowing the kidneys to flush out excess minerals and metabolic waste products before they accumulate and form crystals. In addition to hydration, pineapple contains antioxidants such as vitamin C and other plant compounds that help protect cells from oxidative damage. Another possible benefit is its mild natural diuretic effect, which may help increase urine production slightly and encourage the body to eliminate excess salts and waste substances more efficiently. 5. Apples. Apples are widely known for their nutritional benefits and may also play a supportive role in maintaining kidney health. One of the key reasons apples are considered beneficial is their rich content of dietary fiber, particularly a type of soluble fiber known as pectin. Pectin helps support healthy digestion and may assist the body in regulating the absorption and elimination of certain minerals that could otherwise contribute to kidney stone formation. Healthy digestion plays an indirect but important role in kidney health. When the digestive system functions properly, the body is better able to manage mineral balance and eliminate waste products efficiently. Apples also contain a variety of antioxidants, including quercetin and vitamin C. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the body. By helping neutralize harmful free radicals, antioxidants support the protection of kidney tissues and contribute to overall organ health. Another benefit of apples is their moderate water content, which contributes to hydration and helps support healthy urine production. 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranate has gained increasing attention for its powerful antioxidant properties. It contains high levels of plant compounds known as polyphenol, which are known for their ability to protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These properties make pomegranate particularly beneficial for supporting overall organ health, including the kidneys. Oxidative stress and inflammation can gradually impair kidney function over time. The antioxidants found in pomegranate help neutralize harmful free radicals and support the body's natural protective mechanisms. Pomegranate may also help improve circulation and support healthy blood flow. Proper blood circulation is important for the kidneys because these organs rely on a steady supply of blood to filter toxins and maintain electrolyte balance. Another benefit of pomegranate is its refreshing water content, which contributes to hydration and supports healthy urine production. Adequate hydration helps dilute minerals in the urine, reducing the likelihood of crystal formation. 7. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit known for its digestive benefits, but it may also support kidney health in several ways. One of the key compounds found in papaya is an enzyme called papain. Papain helps break down proteins during digestion, improving nutrient absorption and supporting a healthier digestive process. Efficient digestion plays an important role in maintaining overall metabolic balance. When digestion is functioning properly, the body is better able to regulate waste elimination and prevent the buildup of harmful substances that could place stress on the kidneys. Papaya is also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and other plant-based compounds. These antioxidants help protect cells throughout the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. In addition to antioxidants, papaya contains a significant amount of water, which helps support hydration and healthy urine production. Papaya also provides potassium, a mineral that plays an important role in maintaining proper fluid balance and supporting normal kidney filtration processes. 8. Bananas. Bananas are one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world and provide several nutrients that may help support kidney health. One of the most important nutrients found in bananas is potassium. Potassium plays a crucial role in maintaining proper electrolyte balance and supporting healthy muscle and nerve function throughout the body. When potassium levels are balanced, the body is better able to regulate the amount of calcium that is excreted through urine. High levels of calcium in the urine are one of the primary factors involved in the formation of calcium-based kidney stones. By helping maintain balanced mineral levels, potassium may indirectly contribute to reducing the risk of stone formation. Bananas also support overall metabolic health. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is especially important for kidney function because the kidneys play a central role in regulating blood pressure and fluid balance. In addition to potassium, bananas contain dietary fiber and natural carbohydrates that provide steady energy while supporting digestive health. Important tips to help reduce kidney stone risk. While certain fruits can help support kidney health, reducing kidney stone risk usually requires a combination of healthy daily habits. One of the most important factors is staying properly hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water helps dilute minerals in the urine and allows the kidneys to flush out substances such as calcium, oxalate, and uric acid before they have the chance to crystallize. Another important factor is controlling salt intake. Consuming excessive amounts of salt can increase the amount of calcium released into the urine. Higher calcium levels in urine raise the risk of calcium-based kidney stones. Maintaining a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fiber-rich foods also plays an important role in supporting kidney health. Limiting highly processed foods is another helpful step, since many processed foods contain high levels of sodium and preservatives. In addition, excessive consumption of animal protein, especially from red meat, may increase uric acid levels and place additional stress on the kidneys. Moderating animal protein intake and focusing more on plant-based foods may help reduce the risk of certain types of kidney stones. Along with healthy eating habits, maintaining an active lifestyle and supporting overall metabolic health can also benefit the kidneys. Conclusion: kidney stones are a common health concern that can affect many people, especially after the age of 50, when metabolism and hydration patterns may gradually change. The formation of kidney stones is often influenced by a combination of factors, including fluid intake, dietary habits, mineral balance, and overall metabolic health. Fortunately, certain fruits contain natural compounds that may help support kidney function and reduce the conditions that contribute to stone formation. Fruits such as lemon, watermelon, oranges, pineapple, apples, pomegranate, papaya, and bananas provide hydration, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help maintain healthier urinary chemistry and support the kidney's natural filtering processes. Incorporating a variety of these fruits into your daily diet may help improve hydration, support mineral balance, and provide protective nutrients that benefit kidney health. When combined with adequate water intake, reduced salt consumption, balanced nutrition, and healthy lifestyle habits, these simple dietary choices can play an important role in supporting long-term kidney function. Protecting your kidneys does not usually require extreme measures. Often, it is the small daily habits, such as choosing nutrient-rich foods, staying hydrated, and maintaining balanced nutrition, that make the greatest difference over time.